As Haberdashers Monmouth students, we were given the incredible opportunity to head to London to take part in a 2.5-hour fashion workshop led by tutors from the Choo Academy. The workshop was titled Showtime, From Sketch to Catwalk.
We started by exploring fashion in 2D, sketching our ideas, looking at form, silhouette and style. Then, things got exciting as we moved into 3D design, experimenting with shape, structure and texture to bring our concepts to life.
This bit was really fun, placing and pinning onto our mini mannequins to develop our designs, just like an industry professional would.
We had constant discussions and feedback from the JCA tutors, which was brilliant. And just when we thought it couldn't get any better, Lucy Choi, niece of Jimmy Choo and director of the JCA, dropped in to judge our work.
After the workshop, we were split into groups and taken backstage to where the JCA students were preparing for their evening runway show. We got a rare, behind-the-scenes glimpse into the fast-paced world of fashion.
We spoke to the student designers, makeup artists and hairstylists. We were right in the thick of it.
Then we watched the models rehearse, 80 of them in total. Felt like being part of something really exciting. Seeing the models work the runway was so interesting. Each had their own walk and identity.
Then came the welcome reception, where fashion industry guests began to arrive, including Karen Millen. The energy was high and we felt so lucky to be a part of it.
We also spoke to Tori Baker, a former student who now works directly with Lucy Choi.
This experience opened our eyes to what it really takes to bring fashion to life. From a simple sketch all the way to the catwalk. It was an unforgettable day of creativity, networking and exposure.
Thank you to the Choo Academy and Haberdashers Hall for making this day one we'll never forget.